I'm Joe Catalano with an AM Quincy news update for Thursday, April 2nd. There is help available now for hospitality workers in Quincy who have found themselves out of work due to COVID-19. Rental assistance programs are being established through the Quincy Chamber of Commerce and Quincy Community Action Programs. Restaurant and hotel workers and others in the hospitality industry can apply for rental assistance through the Quincy Hospitality Support Fund at the Quincy Chamber of Commerce at thequincychamber.com or by calling 617-471-1700. All other Quincy renters who have been laid off due to the coronavirus can apply for help through Quincy Community Action Programs by calling 617-657-5377 or going to qcap.org for more information. Beginning this coming Monday, Quincy Public School students will be contacted by their teachers about continuing their education online. Superintendent Rick DeCristofaro says the remote learning plan will be available to all 9,900 plus students in the school system and administered by over 850 teachers and staff. Elementary students will receive instructions designed to enhance programs that they've already studied in class. Middle and high schoolers will be challenged to learn some new curriculum. However, they will be graded on a credit or non-credit basis, similar to a pass-fail. Elementary students will not be graded. The schools are able to loan out some computers to students who may not have access to a computer. They should reach out to their school principal for more information about that. Governor Baker has ordered all public schools in the state to remain closed until at least May 4th. Grab-and-go meals and learning enrichment packets are now being distributed at 8 Quincy public schools, Monday through Friday, from 11 a.m. to noon until schools reopen. Students and their families can pick up meals and the education packets at both high schools at the Snug Harbor, Lincoln Hancock, Clifford Marshall, Atherton Howe, Parker, and Montclair schools. Breakfasts are also provided for the next day. At least 50 clients from Father Bill's homeless shelter on Broad Street in Quincy will be moved to a temporary shelter at the South Shore YMCA on Coddington Street. It's an effort to prevent the spread of coronavirus amongst the city's homeless population. Officials say they want to spread out the population of homeless individuals in order to better comply with the recommended 6 feet of physical separation between people to limit the spread of COVID-19. There are about 120 clients who use Father Bill's every night, so temporary housing is being established at the Field House at the Y, while the Y remains closed to the public. The city will also be providing police officers at that temporary shelter, and Father Bill's personnel will be available there around the clock while the shelter is in place. There have been no reported cases of coronavirus in Quincy's homeless population. Quincy Mayor Thomas Koch says all Quincy first responders are now being tested for coronavirus after a police officer and a firefighter recently tested positive for the virus. The testing is taking place at locations in Norwood and Shrewsbury. In addition, Koch says some city personnel may also undergo testing if they've come in contact with anyone who's tested positive. In addition, Quincy firefighters will no longer respond to every medical call unless needed. Koch says it's vital to maintain the health and safety of first responders to ensure that they can respond to all emergencies. Brewster Ambulance will respond to every medical call. Manic Community Health Center patients will also undergo coronavirus testing in a tent outside their West Quantum Street headquarters in North Quincy. A reminder that the new extended deadline for property tax payments and applications for abatements and deferrals is now June 1st in Quincy. In addition, state and federal income taxes are now not due until July 15th. All Quincy basketball courts are closed in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Mayor Koch says he was forced to shut down the courts after several people were spotted playing contact games recently. Quincy playgrounds are also closed, but parks are open. The mayor says it would be very difficult to close the beaches, but he is urging people to adhere to the 6 feet physical separation guidelines in an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19. I'm Joe Catalano with an AM Quincy news update for Thursday, April 2nd.